Hello Mzansi and the world, welcome to another special episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos. Guys, I request you to like, comment and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
And once invitation yare dumelang ka lebitso la Jesu a ke go ka itse ra ona bjala tlo go raisa dikuku tso bolaisa short road te bye
mara he ba ka re banna bo botlhe ba yentweng ha o lebelletse o wa hao wa apara gown a ba e bofele mo lethekeng
O tla bo.
a ka boa
Yes, o tla bo.
Khululekiwe kudliwa amagrebhisi kuphela.
Amagrebhisi ngani.
Mina nje angibona nginazo inkinga. Kodwa wena mawufuna inkinga. Hamba enyangeni
Ha, why?
nakubathandaza.
Eben.
Uyobuya zimuka ikhanda. Hathi wazala uwembethe. Funeka ijazi lengwe. Funa ube inyanga. Hey!
ene nako ngwe o se ka tshaba boss wa gago jo a thoma o botsa a re ga o sa performa ga o sa bereka pila o mmotse gore le wena salera o patelang yona a yo ire o performa
O tlo go koba.
o se ka motshaba
O tlo go koba.
Homie. Wetsalang, homie?
Unemployed.
Monate, man.
Unemployment.
Under such condition, homie.
No, akhwela mona.
Oh, akwela.
Akhwela.
Ke ya ka home. Ke rona batho.
Nna ka tsu.
Ya home.
Kopa akhwela o mokgwatshisa home.
A go go butsu ba ke. Thank you, homie. Sure, homie.
Akhwele. Sizani o ituletse mo fatshe. Awu ndoda. Abamshaye igoli bamgcwalise abamsolo bamatabotsi
Just
Clyde.
because you are losing friends doesn't mean wa gola wa tena and o na le maka.
Is this peeling or chopping?
Kura wona hore double eo wa e hetsa eo
Oh, is
o ithaure o khulu ga se bokhulu se se dirang wa senya
o itse ke
Magauteng ka mebereko kwa hae lena le ba bya in charge of the drinks ke bona ba henda out the drinks motho ona o tshwara skisi la tsa ka morele le reng ena le drinks ka mohare le ba fa di kitchen di freezer batho ba nna mo hae le ba isha go mellong ba fisha ke mello ba dutse di complexion mo la ile ba gigolo le ba gala ba bantsho le ba thomela ditaba tsa gore bona ba loya banna le lebetse re ne le lena le ba bya go mellong
le teng monna sa nwe jwala a dulang a le hae weekend to weekend every day o hae o busy o lwantshana le bana ka remote ha tloa mono o ntsa ema fela sofe mane a bala maka a nama ha kgathetse o wena o dumao what the fuck banna ba tletse strateng kwana banna ba tletse ha ba tsebe ba batlana le wena o ai wow
Ngithi ujubla masida mani correctional sikis upper fall ma second dingto cho phezukwenyo ntwana ya sasivula
brothers and sister. That's what kerekeng mara ba nwa wine.
We multiply plus 3.
Go baliwa tšhelete ya koleke. Hey, okay.
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
How's the vibe here, like in Hatfield? And is it the vibe that you guys are preferring, like for a place to stay?
Yeah, it's pretty hectic here, but it's fun.
Your type of hectic.
No.
It's okay. It feels like back home for me.
Where are you from?
Eswatini.
I don't know, I like it. I feel like anything can happen here. You can meet too many different types of people.
And you can get kidnapped. Let me start with her, because I feel like as I've been here, I'm trying to find some point. Do you think where you to go, want to stay?
Pardon?
Do you think if you had to go and stay?
Had to go what? Pardon?
Sorry.
So sorry, please repeat that.
Is English a problem?
No, it's not. I just...
Oh, you have a hearing problem.
No key. Sorry, please can you repeat that?
So I was trying to find out, do you think, are you listening on a schedule of comparing it to where you were?
I was like back in Joburg, so it's as busy.
Okay. Then to you, Gloria. I almost said Anael. Okay, Gloria. Do you think that person look bad?
Sorry?
If you had to go to First Lane?
I had to go to...
To Ballismatic side.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
I'm trying to find out, do you think if you had to... We're moving to First Lane?
Wait, are you saying what are you saying?
Are you laughing?
No, I can't hear you.
Do you think I have an English problem?
No, I think I have a hearing problem. What did you say?
Okay, I'm saying do you think if you had to go for 4 people?
If I had to go?
Yeah, for 4 people.
Like...
On a scale of 1 to 10.
What am I doing? Anael, what is happening here? 7.
7.
Oh, 7 as well.
Do you take a first one?
Yeah. No, I was fuck dating.
What? 7.
Oh, you guys are laughing at me.
No.
Ke le chairperson ya lena bana ya society land disappoint ba abe selo se ke society sa home mara every year re boloka rena re a short re boloka ka dipudi na hana re tsaya ke batho wa le sapatele mara re thoma ka wena ebile wena wa mbona o kolota 6 months o mputse mashudi o kolota 6 months
nda mona wa ti wa di uri ngwa yanga yo roba
akere wa kwa o thomile go bolela polelo bolela polelo
ke polelo tsonga
account go barai man o patela man a re bona o mongwe shwena Ronaldo wena every day ka di weekend o reka di Hennessy maar no o kolota 3 months why you sapatela
ising bana go beere tekse me ga dit weggaar klop mens gaan dit reg maak my bro
alo mongwe o thomile go bolela polelo
Siburukan se ke polelo
wa bana yona
ke siburukan
tabo we ha o go tshepile so 1 month o kolota nna go kolota wena mos
Operant WL
kana nna ke motlana ga ke itse se akere wa go bolela polelo ya bana bolela polelo ya bana thosho wa pele ke ba so cocktail wa ibala ke kana ka se banna se la bona ke from now on la bona society se tshwenye ke polelo re change lebitso la society o tloa no leina la society le ke polelo ya banna a ke sanya go kwa ngwe yang ka ndo tlhogofara a ke sanya go I blow fan mielel wena skipa se re se pen se le drinki a sa nyaka polelo ya banna ke eng polelo ya banna ga la bo le patleleng
una cocktail
ukuba yisoka kwesinye isikhathi nokuphatha abantu besifazane entofontofo kuyakufaka enkingeni sengifike eGoli ngayithola sengithandana nebhedi ngendlela engayiqonde angizwa nokuthi uthemba
nani
baby
angisakhona nkosazana yami
baby akere usatlo mfatshele tela ntsepisa nyana
hayi ngiyadideka manje nkosazana yami angilahleka ngempela
imali ngithi usazongfa leya
imali
chelete ongithembise yona
Isipeyida angisazi impela kodwa ngiyamuzwa lo muntu wesimame wepeyida ukuthi ufuna ukungibulala yakazalunge nguzwide mina
baby usazongfa
Itu yochama sukuma bafu
Utsela amanzi ngala ngiyabuya
ngiyabuya okay
Phuza amanzi bafu
Ngezwe kuthiwa amadoda la eGoli mowagwaza phuma igazi I red flag nje indoda othi mawuyigwazi phuma igazi bullshit nje
ningajampisi maji abezwa vele isinjani le moto owafunda ngayo ukushayela alright
okay
athi mfethu edonsa 4 wama trailer nakhona wezikhampani ezahlukene ama trailer
different man
lakhe ngayibona kudala isimo saye sasesibi kwakuthiwa yashaya injini kabi yavuka escrap yard ngezwe kuthiwa isiphila ngokuya kuma mechanic endisebenza ngama boosting cables ukuze iqhubeke ihambe
go hectic ke lapha
yo asengibi kakhulu are we allowed to comment bathe majita
ufuna ukudefend imoto yakhe
mfethu angisazi nokuthi ngafuna ngekabani hawo Sukudala umshayeli. Mfowabo ngani? Seyaba I delivery ekhaya yamakheke. Kuma nede No comment.
Yeah.
Okay, ngisaphethe yona namanje. I-Crescit GLI 6 ngiyifica in a one single table. And then I have it upgraded to a twin table.
GLI 6
Yathi ngomunye umphethu waseLimpopo. Kodwa inokubuya for all service. Athi mfethu sihamba ngokukhokhoba endleleni ayisavumelekile ku freeway. Hawu. Super 16 izola bad. Wayibona izola bad yasasowethu.
Zala ngabona lokuthi wena ungithanza uthanza imali yami. Ya. Zala ngayibona lento le.
Athi 20 rand.
Awungithanzi wena ungithatha. Kube kuthiwa nginamali nje mina. Bowungeke ungithanze wena.
20 rand.
Nanyalo nje ubhizi ungicela abo 20 rand. Nale nyanga lephelile wacela abo 20 rand. Nanyalo futhi inyanga nenyanga wena uhlala ungicela abo 20 rand. Inyanga nenyanga ngicela abo 20 wena. Hayibo kanti mina sengisebenzela wena inana bakithi. Hawu umhlolo yambo.
Awu bafu.
Wena awuyiqali lento yakho. Awuyiqali ene ngihlale ngisho ukuthi mina na utangicela imali. Ungangitsheli lamhla ukuthi ufuna imali lamhla ni. Bongitshela kunesikhathi 2 weeks before ngathi ukuthi ufuna ngihlale ngikubudget ngikubudgetele ngiyibekele imali. Hayi man. Hayina man.
Yo, I mean angimind 20 rand for a year. Ngayenza lento le. Guys, thanks for making it this far. Thanks for supporting this channel. See you in the next upload. Azish.